Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. In this problem, so here all components are connected in parallel and here two current sources are there. So one is opposite to each other, so this is upward, so remaining all branches currents are be downside, so this current direction will be upside. Now asking that how to find voltage V0 and current I1, I2, I3 and I4. So this is our target, find voltage V0 value and I1, I2, I3, I4. So V0 means these are all components in parallel, that means voltage drop across each component is same, so that is considered as V0. Now apply node analysis. So here this is only one direction, remaining all will be one direction, so this direction is equal to sum of all these currents in this direction. So that is, so 8 amperes is equal to current in 10 ohms is upper voltage minus lower voltage by resistance, that is V0 by 10 plus V0 by 20 plus next V0 by 30 plus this current also will be downside direction, that is 20 amperes plus in this branch V0 by 60. So this is LCM problem. So by doing LCM and bring that value to left hand side, so from that we'll get V0 equal to minus 60 volts. Now we want I1, I2, I3, I4 value. So this is nothing but I1, this is I2 and this is I3 and this is I4. Now use this formula for to get I1, that is I1 equal to V0 by 10, nothing but minus 60 by 10, nothing but minus 6 amperes. So similarly I2 equal to V0 by 20, nothing but minus 60 by 20, that's equal to minus 3 amperes. So similarly I3 is equal to V0 by 30, that's equal to minus 60 by 30, that's equal to minus 2 amperes. So I4 is equal to last one, that is V0 by 60, that's equal to minus 60 by 60, nothing but minus 1 ampere. So minus 60 amperes, minus 3 amperes, minus 2 amperes, minus 1 ampere are the corresponding I1, I2, I3, I4. Now this is the V0 value, that is minus 60 volts. So this is the voltage exists at each branch which are in parallel. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.